What's up, guys? It's your boy OG Rad. Today we're going to be repairing the Gladiator SCX10 III. I don't know if you saw my last video. Receiver got wet. She spazzed out on me. I think the receiver got wet. It's doing that on its own. Well, guys, we're going to call it quits for this. I did bring a plan B, which may actually smell burning. May actually do better. Better get the top pop, see what's burning. Been having problems with this thing lately. That's all by itself. All right, let me get this top pop. Anything interesting going on, I'll show you. But today we're going to waterproof a new receiver. The other receiver still work, but I tried to waterproof it using some shoe glue and surrounded the whole circuit board with shoe glue and closed the case back up, and didn't work out. So this time we're going to open up one of these new receivers. We'll waterproof it using this MG chemical conformal coating. I'm going to show you how I do it. First, guys, I want to say please like and subscribe. Check out the link in the description for my Amazon store. This MG chemical conformal coating will be in there. First, we'll open this up. You see how much you get. This is an endless supply there. And they even give you 2 brushes. I used this one multiple times. Haven't used this one yet. And of course, one of the first things I want to do, I'm sorry, that's my grandson, but I like to take a X-O knife and pop this case open. All right, had a little time getting that case off, trying to be delicate without cracking it. And there we go. And what I like to do is I just take a wire, put on the contacts, suspend it like this as I paint it. And I generally start with the top or the bottom. In this case, I'm going to start with the bottom. And also, I really should have bind this because it's a button. And I don't want to paint that button. Actually, I think I'm going to stop here before I paint that button. It's right there. Might hit some of the top now. And we're going to put several coats on this, so I think I will go and power up just to bind it before I finish. And of course, you don't want to paint those contacts. I think I may have got some on, a couple of them. And there we go. We got her all coated. I don't know if you can see the shining that's all over that case. But yeah, we get her slapped back in the case and get her plugged up. And the way I like to do it is I still don't want to scrape none of the coating off to keep it waterproof, and it's still a little soft. You can let it cure overnight to make sure. But I'll pull her on up this way. And I actually use the connector to line up everything. And most receivers will be the same way. I mean, you know, this is a radio link receiver. So you get her sitting up in there. Line up the two tabs for those antennas. There we go. Should be super waterproof. All right, guys. Get this receiver out. This is the old receiver that's been wet 1,000 times. And this is a R8 FG. I'm going to be putting the R7 FG in. Maybe one less channel. This receiver isn't specifically made for this RC6GS. But this is the receiver that it normally comes with. We're going to get this unplugged and plug up the new receiver. And what I'll do right here is I'll unplug one thing at a time, so I don't have to remember everything, because this has the 2-speed and the dig, as well as, of course, your servo and the plug for your 1080. Fusion Pro. And I already disconnected this one. This should be channel 2 for my ESC for the Fusion, rather. And channel 1, of course, that is my servo. And this is the telemetry for my battery. And this should be, you can almost see the corrosion down in there. This thing been wet 1,000 times. Surprised it worked at all. And whatever this is channel 4. And then we got channel 5. Hope this corrosion don't cause too much problems. I know I should clean it, but 5. And then we got channel 1, 2, 3, 7. Let's try that in channel 7. Like I said, that's a R8FG. That is the old one. I don't know if you can see that. Where I put that shoe goo all in there and smashed it closed. Did no good. As you can see all that green corrosion in there. I know this thing has been wet 20 times. And now, with power on our remote, plug up the battery, power on, and we can test everything. See? 2-speed. Not working. Dig works. Well, one problem is that may not be the 2-speed. I'm pretty sure that's the 2-speed. Definitely the 2-piece speed. Channel 7 is not doing everything. Maybe too much corrosion in that one. Let's see. And well, guys, I discovered blew one of these Micro Reefs 99s. This is the second one I've been through, which almost don't make any sense because it's just for the dig and the 2-speed. This one is for the 2-speed. How often do you change gears? Now, it has been wet a million times, but get it out of there and get this one slapped in. Just use one that I had laying around. All right, guys. Got that horrible looking receiver replaced. I don't know if you can see all that corrosion and green gook down in there. And this receiver's about 2.5, 3 years old. Been in water too many times to count. But all right, guys, please like and subscribe. Check out the link for my Amazon store in the description. I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully we'll be running this thing and get a full run out of it again finally. It's been a couple of months.